Hello, I'm going to show how you can quickly backup and restore a course from the Moodle archive into a current course. The first step is to get onto the Moodle archive, go into your My Moodle and go to the course that you want to back up. Then, inside that course, go over to the backup link. Check the Include Enrolled Users box so that we don't get any student enrollments from that old course. Then jump to the final step. It's going to take it a few seconds to create that backup of that course. Once the backup is successfully created, click Continue, and it should be at the top of your user private backup area. Click Download to get it to come onto your computer. And then open a new tab and log into the main Moodle site and go into the course that you're trying to restore. And click on the Restore button. Then drag that backup file in here. As long as it's not too large, which is 100 megabytes, it'll upload and let you restore. As you're restoring, you'll have an option to choose whether to restore it into a current course or a new course. You're going to choose Restore it into the current course, and you'll probably want to just leave the default merge the backup into this course. Click Continue. It's not going to include enrolled users, but it will include the other items in the course. If you want to pick and choose which items, you can do that at this step. You can start out with all or none. Generally, you probably want to not restore the news forum because it'll create that one already. Click Next and perform restore. Again, it will take it a minute or so to do that restore for you. Once it's restored successfully, you can hit Continue and see the content in your course. I hope this was helpful as you're backing up and restoring. If you have any trouble, feel free to give us a request to help you with that restore. Thank you and have a great day.